Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an important letter. You should say, when did you receive the letter? From whom did you receive the letter? Explain the reasons why it is important.
An important letter that I received was my acceptance letter into my dream job. I had applied for the position a few weeks earlier, and I was eagerly awaiting a response. I received the letter about a week after I had applied. I was checking my email when I saw a message from the company. My heart started pounding as I opened the email and read the first few lines. The email began with congratulations, and I knew right away that I had been accepted. The letter was from the HR manager of the company, and it was important because it meant that I had achieved my goal of getting my dream job. It was a big step forward in my career, and it was a moment of validation that all my hard work and dedication had paid off. The letter outlined the details of my employment, including my salary, start date, and job responsibilities. It also provided information about the company's policies and procedures, and it included instructions on what I needed to do next to finalize my employment. This letter was important because it marked a turning point in my life. It gave me the opportunity to work in a field that I was passionate about, and it opened up a world of possibilities and opportunities that I had never thought possible. It also gave me a sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing that I had been selected out of many applicants for this coveted position. Overall, the acceptance letter for my dream job was an important letter that I will never forget. It marked a milestone in my career and gave me the confidence to pursue my goals and dreams. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.